was weak and weary. I had gone astray, walking in the darkness. I could not find my way. Then a light came shining to lead me from despair. All my sins forgiven, and I was free from care. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. With faith to guide me, I found the way. The sun is shining for me each day. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. I was sad and lonely. All my hopes were gone. Days were long and dreary. I could not carry on. Then I found the courage to keep my head up high. Once again I'm happy, and here's the reason why. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. With faith to guide me, I found the way. The sun is shining for me each day. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. Keep your Bibles with you. Read it every day. Always count your blessings and always stop to pray. Learn to keep believing and faith will see you through. See to know contentment and it will come to you. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. With faith to guide me, I found the way. The sun is shining for me each day. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. I found the answer. I've learned to pray. With faith to guide me, I found the way. The sun is shining for me each day. I found the answer. I've learned to pray.
We thank the choir again for those two lovely renditions. I hope they will keep it up to the end of the evening. Now we're going to have greetings from Faith Healing and Cleansing Lighthouse Spiritual Baptist. Any representative? Mount St. Bethel Spiritual Baptist.